Hey Glow Babes! Welcome back to my channel. First of all, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because this challenge is going to change how you feel about yourself, and it's 100% doable from home. A glow up isn't just about looking pretty. It's about energy, confidence, taking care of yourself, and showing up like the best version of you. So, let's begin. Day 1. Skincare reset and hydration boost. Cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate. Drink 8 glasses of water. Use a DIY face mask with honey plus aloe. Glow starts with your skin. Treat it like royalty today. Day. Hair care plus clean eating swap. Oil your hair, use sulfate-free shampoo. Swap soda for lemon water, junk for fruits. Healthy hair plus clean food is equals double glow. Day 3. Closet cleanup plus style refresh. Declutter 3 outfits you no longer wear. Try styling 2 new combos with what you have. Style isn't about more, it's about better. Day 4. Mental glow up and journaling. Write 3 affirmations. Meditate for 10 minutes. Clean your room. Light a candle. A pretty space equals a peaceful mind. Day 5. Workout plus posture glow up. 15-minute home workout. Stretch, walk tall, practice good posture. You don't need the gym to look confident. Day 6. Beauty day, mini spa at home. Trim nails, shape brows, lip balm, light makeup. Add blush or mascara, feel fresh. You deserve this pamper day. Day 7. Confidence boost plus reveal. Wear your favorite outfit. Do your hair. Take some glow up photos and smile. You're not just glowing, you're shining. Bonus tip. You don't need to change yourself. Just start taking care of yourself. That's the real glow up. If you're ready for your glow up, drop a hey in the comments. Your best self is just 7 days away.